Good day to everyone. Madam Jaswin here. So for this video, we will learn about solid waste or sanitary system management. Okay, which is chapter 8. Alright, so let's start. First is the content of the chapter, system and operating principle, types of solid waste system and application, and the last topic is incineration. Okay, for the learning outcome, okay, in the end of this chapter, students should be able to describe and compare categories of solid waste, should be able to list the types of solid waste system and application, and also students should be able to propose the improvement of solid waste collection system and disposal method towards environmental friendly. Okay, so we move to the first topic, which is solid waste and refuse disposal. Okay, so what is the definition of solid waste? Okay, apa tu solid waste? Solid waste is unwanted material that need to be disposed hygienically without affecting the environment. Okay, so it can be categorized into three major types of waste. First, domestic waste. Okay, have you heard about what is domestic waste? Like food, bottles, cans, rack and carpets, and also furniture. Next is commercial waste, which is domestic and papers, also stationery. Okay, and last types of waste is industrial waste. The example of industrial waste is toxic, offensive and dangerous waste. Okay, next, collection system. Okay, so how we collect the waste? Okay, there are several types. Okay, first is refuse bin, refuse chute, a garage system, sink grinder, Tenocom system, and central suck system. Okay, so refuse chute, there is an example of the refuse chute. Okay, and you guys can find every example of this type from Google, right? Second, okay, so we look at the refuse chute, which is a centralized garbage collection system. Okay, kat mana you all pernah tengok ni? Selalunya dekat apartment pun ada, hospital pun ada, bangunan yang tinggi-tinggi lah. Okay, so daripada aras tinggi akan disposekan sampah melalui tempat-tempat yang dihaskan. Okay, so it is centralized garbage collection system. Refuse chute is a hollow shaft built in the high-rise flat or circular, square or rectangular shape. Okay, a means of transporting waste material by chute from the point of disposal in high-rise residential or office building to a refuse collection room at the base of the chute. So kat bawah ni ada collection base lah, ya. So dia akan turun terus masuk ke dalam bin. Okay, so refuse chute, new teknologi yang ada sekarang. Okay, negara kita mungkin belum ada lagi, tapi di overseas mungkin dah ada. Okay, so mana terus je daripada bawah tanah tu, saluran waste tu ditransport ke center-center management, waste management. Okay, so next we move to garage system. Okay, garage system is invented by Frenchman Louis Garage. Seal system, thus reducing the smell and vermin problems, and directly from the flats to a center incinerator. Okay, so The system of domestic and bulk refuse disposal. Okay, system of domestic and bulk refuse disposal. Okay, refuse is placed inside a central tube of the sink. Okay, and then when the tube is raised, when the wastewater and the refuse are carried away down a stack or discharge pipe to a chamber. Okay, here. And refuse from the chamber is collected at weekly intervals by a specially equipped tanker. So tanker ni lah yang akan ambil the wasted weekly. Okay. So please find a video that illustrate the how the garbage system work. Right. Okay, next is sink grinder. Okay, what is sink grinder? A garbage disposal unit, waste disposal unit, or garburator is a device usually electrically powered. Okay, it is installed under a kitchen sink between the sink drain. Okay, dia install kat sini ya. Between the sink drain and the trap, which spread food waste into small pieces. Okay, so dia kumpul waste dekat garbage disposal unit ni. Okay, lepas tu bolehlah kita buang. Okay, next, technocume system. So what is this? This is a pneumatic refuse conveyance and transportation system, which is mobile type. It's fully automated refuse collection and transportation system with hermetically sealed design. Okay. So dia untuk terus je automatic collect the wastage kat dalam lori ni. Okay. Ini adalah technocume system. Okay, next, central suck system. Okay. An efficient, modern and exceptional hygienic method of handling waste. Okay, it based on transporting waste to a truck, utilize air to transport the waste via a network of underground pipes from buildings to a central collection station. Could be vacuum truck or vacuum station system. Okay, so ini teknologi yang maju lah. Okay, ada suction. Okay, buang sampah. So sampah-sampah tu akan ditransport terus secara vacuum ke central system. Okay. So, berteknologi tinggi lah. Kalau kat Malaysia ni kita masih lagi guna lori sampah. Okay. Okay, next, disposal method. All of waste collected from refuse bins to central suck system, either not to be treated or partially treated, must be disposed. Okay, so sampah-sampah yang dia dah dikumpul tu, yang lori sampah dah ambil tu, kalau kat sini, nak pergi mana sampah-sampah tu? Kat mana kita nak letak sampah-sampah tu? Sampah-sampah tu mestilah dirawat dan ditempatkan dengan mengikut cara-cara disposal method yang betul. Okay. So waste management practices can differ from developed and developing nation for urban areas, rural areas, residential and industrial. Okay, bergantung kepada area-area yang mana yang terletak lah. Okay. So types of disposal method. Okay, so ada beberapa type. The first one is sea dumping, open land dumping, control landfill, recycle plant, wastewater treatment and also incinerator. Okay. So kadang-kadang you akan nampak tempat pelubusan sampah. Okay, itu antara contoh open land dumping dengan control landfill. Recycle plant, so wastage yang boleh di-recycle kita hantar ke recycle plant. Okay, so wastewater treatment, okay, air-air yang daripada perumahan semua yang kita dah guna mandi semua tu akan terus untuk di treatmentkan semula. Okay, So we go one by one. Sea dumping. Okay. So kita buang di tengah laut lah ni, unhygienic and provide environmental risk. Okay. Right, the other type of disposal method is open land dumping. Okay, but open land dumping is unhygienic and provide environmental risk. Okay, di samping tu dia mengeluarkan pencemaran bau, kan? Okay. Next, the other type is control landfill, which is better than open land dumping. Okay. Next, recycle plant. High capital but provide environmental friendly long-term profit. Okay, ni yang kita selalu nampak lah. Okay. Recycle camp. Okay, lepas tu ada recycle bin. Okay. Next is wastewater treatment for sink unit and sink grinder. Need higher capital but provide environmental friendly. Okay, tadi kita ada tengok sink unit dengan sink grinder. So daripada sink unit and sink grinder, dia akan pergi kepada treatment process, which is wastewater treatment. Okay, dan selepas kita treatment, dia akan hasilkan like this, compost product. Okay, contohnya hasil-hasil pembaziran daripada makanan yang tak habis, apa semua tu kan, kita boleh jadikan dia baja untuk tanaman. Okay. Next is incinerator. Okay, what is incinerator? Incinerator is function by reinforcing the focus away from landfilling and toward waste prevention, recycling and composting. Okay. Energy from waste in that order of priority. Next, process of incineration, combusting the waste stream. Next, extracting heat for steam and electricity generation, monitoring and controlling emission, and carefully handling ash. Okay, combustion of waste, pollution prevention, emission control, and ash management. Okay, so I think you guys can search a video on how incinerator work to get more understanding about this. Okay, next we move to on-site and sanitary incineration. So incineration is a waste treatment process that involves the combustion of organic substance contained in waste material. Okay, so maksudnya proses pembakaran lah, okay, untuk menghasilkan tenaga. Okay, incineration or mass burning is the common disposal method globally after landfill. It is one of the most expensive waste treatment facilities, especially when equipped with energy recovery and advanced emission control technology. Okay, sebab bila kita bakar, kita akan ada ash kan. Okay, akan ada ash, akan ada pelepasan karbon dioksida. So dia incineration ni akan mahal sebab kena ada facilities yang bagus untuk control the environment, control the pollution. Okay, compared to landfill, the advantages of incinerator with energy recovery are environmental benefit, lower carbon emission and avoidance of land contamination, higher energy recovery per ton, outputs of ashes in inert form, chemically stable without odor, and requires a minimum area of land. Okay, so incineration ni bukan seperti pembakaran terbuka lah. Okay, dia ada cara yang tertentu. Selepas ni kita akan tengok. Okay, economically the benefits are the location which can be near to the city and land value with less depreciation, unlike landfill. Okay, so this is how incineration system work. Okay, so the waste will put inside this, okay, two-way flue gas furnace, and then the combustion. Okay, so this is the combustion area. Okay, so this air supply, we have the combustion to be better and stable. Okay, and the ashes will go there to recycle. Okay, this is the waste heat boiler. Okay, turbine. Okay, so when there is a combustion, okay, so it will produce a gas, right? So exhaust gas. So this gas will be treated, okay, and recirculation of exhaust gas. Okay, so in Malaysia, 5 units of small-scale incinerator of rotary kiln type were erected in 5 tourism spots. Okay, Pulau Langkawi, Pulau Labuan, Cameron Highland, Pulau Pangkor, and Pulau Tioman. Okay, rotary kiln air injection system to ensure continuous combustion. Okay, macam saya tunjuk tadi lah, air injection system tu untuk memastikan continuous combustion. Okay, emission resulting from the combustion process will be treated by a combination of pollution control system to remove dust particulates, acid gases, nitrogen oxide, heavy metal and dioxin. So tengok ni yang atas ni, piping atas ni lah. Okay, untuk treatmentkan gas-gas yang terkeluar semasa pembakaran. Okay, so this is the end of the chapter. Okay, I hope you guys can understand and find more info about this topic, about the types of sanitary incineration and types of waste management at YouTube and Google. Okay, so thank you for watching and good luck. Salam.